Hello guys, before starting, I wanted to tell you that the training videos that are posted on our channel are all about 0% training on how to fix faults that may occur in an electric generator. We prefer troubleshooting, although now we prefer an electric motor. We use 1.5 kilowatts to make videos, but in the future, with your support, we will try to make educational videos from powerful generators and different brands. This generator has the problem of ripping and not being adjusted so that when we turn it on, it bites badly and slows down. The bowl and the gas spring rod also move well. I will make it clear so that you can also understand its flaws. At the beginning of the work, we must check the quality of the fuel. As you can see, the gasoline is clean, there is no water or dirt in it, so it is not a fuel problem. We have to check other things. As you can see, the paper gasket that is closed in the back of the carburetor is closed in the opposite direction, which is one of the reasons for the engine to work poorly. By adjusting the gaskets, the amount of fuel and airflow in the carburetor changes, and these settings can affect the performance and efficiency of the electric motor. For example, if the gaskets are improperly adjusted and the fuel and airflow to the engine is not adequate, engine performance may suffer or even other problems may occur. Check the gasket between the carburetor interface and the cylinder head that is good. This is how we should put the washer. We also service the carburetor so that we don't have any problems with the carburetor. Let's go to assemble the carburetor. I didn't see any problem with it. Everything was set. Let's go to assemble it. When closing the fuel flow needle and floater, pay attention to its alignment, so that when we hold the floater upside down, the floater should stop the fuel flow in a straight state, as you can see in the picture. I connect our own gasoline to turn it on. Why doesn't it turn on? What could be the problem? We check the spark plug. The engine spark plug is healthy, it also sparks. Gasoline does not enter the carburetor. There is no problem inside the carburetor. The floater works properly. Everything is from our fuel inlet. The problem is from the gasoline inlet hose when I closed the air vent. The hose got stuck between the air vent frame and the Indian frame and cut off the flow of gasoline. That's why the gasoline did not enter the carburetor. We will connect the gas again and turn it on. I hope it will be solved. We sincerely thank you for taking the time to watch our channel videos. It is valuable that you have trusted us and spent your time watching our content.